Airtel India Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Airtel plans and products are in the description. Airtel India is one of the top mobile operators in the country, known for its extensive coverage, fast data speeds, and range of plans suitable for both individuals and businesses. Airtel offers a variety of postpaid, prepaid, and data-only plans, catering to different types of users. Whether you're looking for unlimited talk time, large data allowances, or international roaming options, Airtel has a plan to suit your needs. For those who love streaming, Airtel provides value-added services like Airtel Xstream, offering access to live TV, movies, and original content. One of Airtel's strongest features is its network coverage. Airtel has one of the most reliable and widespread 4G networks in India, ensuring fast speeds even in rural and remote areas. The operator has also been rolling out 5G in select cities, promising ultra-fast data speeds in the near future. This makes Airtel a solid choice for users who need fast internet for browsing, streaming, or gaming. Additionally, Airtel's customer service is generally considered to be responsive and efficient, providing good support for both prepaid and postpaid customers. However, Airtel does have some drawbacks. While its data speeds are typically fast, the pricing of its plans can be higher compared to other competitors like Jio and Vodafone Idea, which may be a concern for budget-conscious users. Furthermore, the 5G coverage, while expanding, is still limited to select cities, meaning that not all users will have access to the next-gen network immediately. In conclusion, Airtel India is an excellent choice for users looking for reliable coverage, fast internet speeds, and a variety of plan options. It's ideal for those who prioritize a strong network and value-added services, though it may not be the most budget-friendly option available. Check out the links in the description for the latest Airtel plans and offers.